Investors closely following President Trump's health this morning. Stocks slumped on Friday after word broke of the president's coronavirus diagnosis. It looks like, judging from the futures, Wall Street will open higher today. Everything up when you're looking at the futures this morning. Dow up nearly 200. So what impact could this diagnosis have on the stock market? Short term, long term, what does it mean for your money? Local financial professional Justin Halverson from Great Waters Financial is here to explain. Justin, we know that when you have a world leader's health in jeopardy, including the president of the United States, that markets are going to react to that.
That's for sure, Jason. And, one thing the markets don't like is uncertainty. And when we have President Trump announcing he has coronavirus, not knowing what the future means with an election this close, certainly that's a lot of uncertainty. And so the night that it happened, overnight, the Dow futures were down 500 points. Oil was way down. Now it's rebounded slightly since then. And Jason, as you mentioned, futures are up slightly today. So who knows where we're going from here.
Is this kind of a fasten your seatbelt period we're going to be in from now until the election? Because, frankly, the president's medical advisors admitted that they lied about his condition over the weekend, trying to put a rosy picture forward to boost the president's spirits. So how can the market have any sort of sense as to what's really going on?
Well, yeah, if we don't have a sense of reality, it's hard to know.
Right.
Exactly what it is and how to make great decisions. And so we can certainly expect volatility both here through the election and probably even a little bit thereafter. I don't see the volatility going away anytime soon.
I think some of us, obviously if you are at retirement age and you need to draw down your accounts, that's maybe a different situation. But for a lot of us, we're kind of wondering, all right, what should we do here? Should we take advantage of one of these days when the market really goes low and try to buy low? Or is this a time where you would recommend people just kind of sit it out and wait?
Well, Jason, as a whole, we recommend, ultimately staying calm, not letting our emotions drive our investment decisions. The worst thing that happens, things drop down, we get fearful, we panic, and we sell at the bottom. Things start to get good again, we get excited, we buy at the top. And that's the opposite of what we should be doing. And so my advice is to, ultimately stay calm, take emotions out of the decisions. If you're someone who's okay with trying to make some of those decisions, knowing you're going to be wrong sometimes, that may be an okay option. For our clients, what we like to say is let's stick to the plan. Let's have a diversified portfolio that's going to weather the storm and get us through to the other side. Yeah,
I was talking to a friend this weekend who said he was trying to time some of this stuff, and he said it's been a bad experience. Even the professionals, I think, have a tough time trying to time, all right, now we're at the bottom, we should buy this. It's a challenge when it's going crazy day to day because the world is going crazy as well.
It is. It's unprecedented. We've never been through this before, so we can't look back and say, well, let's look at what history looked like and make our decisions based on that, because we've never been through it. And so I think you just kind of alluded to it, Jason, but the main thing is having a plan. Take into account your risk tolerance so you don't panic. Look at your risk capacity. And as you said earlier, the closer you are to retirement, or if you're in retirement and you're drawing down these assets for income, you need to have some of them in a very conservative allocation.
Right.
If you have a long time horizon, you can stay more aggressive, but ultimately stay true to who you are, stay true to your plan, and stay calm, even though it's hard to stay calm when everything's going crazy around us.
It is, but it does. There's great risk if you jump in, and there's great risk if you pull the money out. So talk to your advisor. Justin, good information this morning. Thank you.